Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video shows how to insert images into a LaTeX document. I have explained the entire process of inserting images into a LaTeX document step by step, and I've also explained the shortcut method. So don't skip the video. Watch the video carefully, and only then you understand the process. I would like to answer any questions you may have in the comments section. We also do customized projects. If you want a customized project, contact me on Instagram or by email. Contact details are in the description. Okay. Let's get started with the video. First, open your LaTeX editor. I'm using TeXstudio, so that's what I have opened. Create a new document. Type the following commands shown on the screen. To insert images in LaTeX, you can use the graphics package. Then type \begin document and \end document. Now type \begin figure and \end figure. Inside that, you need to enter the \includegraphics command. Enter the code shown on the screen carefully. Inside the curly braces, you must enter the path of the image file. Go to the picture you want to use in the document. Note the name of that image and copy the path of the image. Then paste that path inside the curly braces. Before compiling, you need to change backslashes into forward slashes. Finally, enter the name of the image and compile. You should see that the image runs successfully, but it might not fit well in the document. Now we need to resize the picture. Type the following code that I use. After compiling, you should see the resized image. If you want to change the size, simply enter the size you want. You can also change the height of the picture. Use the following command. Click Compile, and you will see that the height of the image has changed. Choose a suitable size as needed. To center the image, simply enter \centering. After compiling, you will see the image move to the center of the page. Now, we're going to learn an important thing. To place the image in your desired location, you need to enter the following command. Enter H inside the square brackets after begin figure. Only then will your image appear in the correct place. Let's add a caption. Type \caption, and if you leave the curly braces empty, you'll get a caption like Figure 1. You can write the caption inside the curly braces to customize it. After compiling, you'll see the caption. Now let's add some text. Notice that if we didn't type the command H after begin figure, the alignment of the document would change. That's why we need to include that command. If we replace H with B, the image will be placed at the bottom of the page. Similarly, we can use T to place the image at the top. Choose the position you prefer. You can also label your image using the following command. This will help you reference the image elsewhere in the document using the reference command. Sometimes, you might face issues like this. If you write some text after the figure, it might overlap or go above the image. In this case, you need to enter a double backslash after the end figure command. This will insert space automatically. Here you see some unwanted spaces. You can use the \noindent command to prevent them. To use the shortcut method, first, make sure you have the graphics package included. Then, place the cursor where you'd like to insert the image. Click Wizards and select Insert Graphics. Here, you need to choose the image you want to insert. TeXstudio will automatically generate the path for the image. You can set the width and height, and choose to center the image. At this step, you can also add the caption for the figure. Then, choose the position of the image. Finally, click OK. In this method, you'll get all the necessary commands automatically. After compiling, you should see the image without any errors. Okay, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a like. If you think this video is helpful for your friends and colleagues, share it with them so they can also learn something new. If you want to be a part of our community, please subscribe and support us. We also do customized projects. If you want, contact me on Instagram or by email. The contact details are in the description. Finally, thank you for watching.